So the storm was not that bad and the camp is in good condition. Finally leaving. The storm wasn't that bad. It was like at 3 in the morning. It was very windy, but it was fine. I survived. And now cycling again. Hopefully 90k today to a camp. There's lots of camps, so it's just take the one that suits from camp to camp. Camp hopping in the Baltic Sea, the cycling path. The peeps. The mood is good today. Kind of bored of these camps, but the weather it's not the best, but it's fine. You just gotta accept it and pedal on. At least there's no gear problems for the moment. Praying to the cycling goddess. Cycling chillaxed. I think I have some slight tailwinds, so that's why I can go easier. In the morning ride, 10 in the morning. The town of Kołobrzeg or something like that. A nice park for the health of the citizens. Super nice. And there's the Baltic Sea. Look at those waves. Finally some ocean views. This part of the route was definitely wonderful. Some sugary supplies. Went for a small break here in a picnic spot. And the mood is not great. No idea why. I'm just getting these waves of some anxiety. I suppose it's just the morning mood. And this weather. And I'm not a morning person, so that's the deal. It's always like this. And I'm trying to understand why. I'd like to not feel these anxiety moments. Maybe something in my subconscious telling me something, no idea. But it's not as nice cycling when it's windy and cloudy, so looking forward to coming to Turkey or some warmer places. Maybe I'm just tired. Gear issues once again here in the resort. This is the spot for lunch. After having some issues with my gears again, so I had to clean my hands. It's a pretty nice resort here, lots of tourists. With this big peep here. Pasta and ketchup is in the menu today. Middle of nowhere in Poland. Getting kind of bored. I think I need some chocolate. Couldn't find chocolate. So stopped here in the middle of nowhere for a short break. Sitting on a side road. Some bread. Enjoy. Man! You saw that? Be careful when sitting by the road. Let's do this. Pit stop at the supermarket for supplies. Short break then, 30k to go. This is the port of the Arloa. Some industrial wasteland over there. Welcome to the Polish outback. Peeps are enjoying it. I regret I didn't bring my surfboard. Heading back to the bike now. This is really the nicest part of the trip until now. This was definitely super nice. After all the resorts and the small towns and villages and agricultural fields, super nice, it's definitely worth it. This stretch of the Eurovilla 13 here in Witzie is the campsite. This is the camp. Seems pretty cozy. Owned by 2 people here. The perfect spot by the toilets and the dishwashing station. Well, that was it for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Good night. Never had a chair at camp before. It's really luxurious.